Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video, man. So look, man, I already can tell by the shirt, Astro World, Los Angeles. You know, I wasn't really there, but I was there. You feel me? What Travis say? Wish you was here. Wish you was there. I don't know what he said. I couldn't find that shirt, but I got this shirt though. Makes up for it. So you already know about the title, and I got the shirt on. This is Travis Scott 6 review. But first things first, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure y'all go down and hit that subscribe button. Leave a like on the video. Comment down below what else y'all want to see on the channel, man. And yeah, let's hop into today's video. So for today's video, we got a special review. Y'all already tell by the box. Travis Scott, you know what I'm saying? Big shout out to my man, Steven. He won at Concepts. I don't be winning no raffles, man. No draws, no raffles, Nike sneaker app. Nothing, man. And to be honest, quick little breakdown about this shoe and the release. I didn't even know they was coming out. Like, I don't even be paying attention like that. I don't know like what's good with me. Before I used to be on it, like every week I knew what shoe was coming out. Now I'm just like, yo, they come out, they come out. You feel me? Like, I just be, if it's there, I'm gonna take the opportunity to buy them. You feel me? But yeah, I didn't even know that these was coming out. No leaked pictures, didn't pay it no mind, and they just dropped on us. So it's a pair of Travis Scott 6s. I like the tan on them when I saw pictures. It's not even tan, it's like a brown, like a light brown. And it was cool, but you know, it was a Jordan 6 Travis Scott. I really didn't pay it no mind for myself. Probably gonna resell really good, but when they dropped the release online, they did like a raffle. I did enter that. And then they did a first come first serve on the site. I was playing Warzone, so I didn't even get a chance to cop those. Then they did a sneaker draw. You know how that go, man. You know how sneakers app go, and I didn't even cop that. And like, I swear to God, I don't be winning no raffles, bro. I can't remember the last time I won a raffle at a boutique or anything. So I entered Concepts, didn't hit. Entered, what was another one? Kif, didn't hit. Entered SNS, I don't even know if they had them, didn't hit. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just don't be winning raffles. Like, it's my luck, but it is what it is, man. But with that all being said, let's just jump into the unboxing. How did you guys release day go? Comment down below. Do you get a pair? Do you secure multiple pairs? Y'all let me know, man. But here we have the box, as you guys can see. Jordan Jumpman, Jordan 6 box, regular Jordan 6 box, but it has a different, you know, color structure. No on foot because it's a 10.5. So yeah, I just gonna have to live with that. That Jordan 6 box, a couple details. They have the guy right here. I guess that's the Travis Scott like logo. They're on the back of the Jordan 1s as well. Jordan Jumpman over here. Cactus Jack logo right here. Same thing on this side, and then this Cactus Jack again over here. There's a two-tone, you know, box. They got the dark brown and the light brown. You know, they do that effect. And yeah, pretty much that's about it. It is a size 10.5, like I was saying earlier. Retail on these was $250, and the color code I think was British Khaki and Bright Crimson. So yeah, man, there you guys have it. That's the Bright Crimson, that's the British Khaki. Feel me? But jumping in to the unboxing right here, flip it open. You have the Bright Crimson or like red on the inside. And yeah, same thing on the inside of the box throughout the whole thing. Also, I forgot to mention, I took out the dust bag earlier, or this is like a string bag. This also comes with the sneaker right here. Jordan Jumpman, Cactus Jack in the back. I feel like it's a dust bag, but I feel like it's more of like a string bag. So yeah, I forgot I took that out the box, so just gonna throw that in there, you feel me? Bang. Then they have this brown paper on top. Usually it just comes with like, god damn, flipped it both open. There's white paper, but underneath the white paper, you have the shoe right here. And first look at the shoe, man. I personally think that they cool, you know what I'm saying? The first detail I noticed was the suede. The suede on these is really nice. Not gonna lie, like buttery, and the hairs are like super long, so they change colors when you know you flick on it, and you can see the hairs. So that's like probably the main detail that stuck out to me on first impressions. You know, Travis always does the little pockets on the side. You feel me? They got the zipper pocket, and then they got the you know, the whatever pocket right here that you can open. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick little b-roll, show you guys all the details. If you guys want to compare like reals versus fakes, you can come back to this video as a reference. But yeah, we're gonna jump to that, then we're gonna come back, break down the colorway, break down the material, resell everything, man. So let's hop to the b-roll. so coming back from the B-roll, hopefully you guys, you know, got a good detailed look, everything, you know, we gotta compare, you feel me? You gotta see if you like this shoe up close, you feel me? But yeah, let's just jump into the colorway breakdown. So on the upper, you have this suede material, and it is in that quote-unquote British khaki. I'm just gonna call it like a light brown, so light brown across the top. Then they have this like darker brown or greenish color. I feel like it's darker brown, and this is in a like canvas material right here on the tongue and on the lace hole. And then they have this eggnog color going on the plastic on the heel tab and on the pull tab up front. Same thing with the eggnog color on the outsole. So yeah, that pretty much, like, you know, breaks down the whole shoe, because there's only like 3 colors. And they have the same like off-white cream eggnog color on the midsole with that light brown khaki colorway alternated. So you have that on the heel, then you have the eggnog, then you have the brown, then you have the eggnog. You feel me? That's just a lot of eggnog. You feel me? And then they have the bright crimson on the Nike Air on the back. Same thing with this shoe. This shoe has the Cactus Jack on the back. But yeah, then they have the bright crimson on the pull tab, that plastic part right there. And that pretty much breaks down the whole colorway of the sneaker, man. Another cool little detail is on the inside. It has that that brown with the Cactus Jack logo. I don't know if y'all can see down there. And the same thing with the Cactus Jack on the insole. That's all going to be covered in the B-roll, so don't even trip. Y'all probably already seen that. Now, probably the coolest feature I'll have to say is the outsole. It has Cactus Jack right here on the inside writing, and it has the, you know, the man, the guy, whatever, and Travis Scott down here. And it's a translucent outsole, so it's pretty cool. Now, with the colorway being out the way, let's just jump into like the materials. Another cool detail before, you know, we do that is the lace lock right here. It has Cactus Jack, that's pretty cool, and Air Jordan up here on the tongue. So yeah, the main material used on this shoe is suede. Like I said, this is a nice suede right here, very nice, buttery, going all around. And yeah, that's pretty much like the whole shoe. Then they have this canvas material, like I was saying before, on the tongue and the lace holes on each side right here. Plastic on the pull tab, plastic on the top of the tongue, and the rubber on the outside. I think this is rubber, not really plastic. I feel like the back is more plastic, and then this part is rubber. And then the outsole is also in rubber. The midsole, I don't know if it's like Phylon, or I don't know if, like, I feel like it's just Phylon because that's what Jordans use, right? Well, I guess so. And then they have this, you know, zipper right here for one pocket on the inside. That might be the best feature, actually. The 2 little pockets, like all Travises have that. It's pretty cool. And then for the laces, it comes in this light brown over here, but then it also comes with 2 extra. They come with the bright orange and this darker brown or green, I don't know. I feel like that was the original of the original Travis Scott 6s, that color. Then they have these like 3 little pull things. I don't know what those are. Maybe it's to pull up your shoe, I don't know, man. But yeah, now on Jordan 6s, as for the sizing, I will always go true to size or down half a size on Jordan 6s. My first pair of Jordans was actually Jordan 6s. So yeah, man, go get true to size if you can. I would suggest trying on a pair and then going down half a size or whatever to, you know, fit your foot. And yeah, that's pretty much it on Jordan 6s. Same thing with the comfort. Most Jordans nowadays aren't really that comfortable because of how bulky they are, and there's not really like a lot of technology into it. They do have the air unit in the heel, but that's about it. It's a bulky and it's pretty heavy, like this shoe. So I would give it like a 6 out of 10 for that aspect of comfort. And yeah, that pretty much wraps up the whole review. And now let's talk about resell predictions. Now, when these first came out, people, you know, got their pairs in from the website, Travis Scott website or whatever. They was going for like a pretty good price, like $650. I lied, like $750. Right now it's like $650. So I was going for like $750, $800. Now prices came down a little bit because more people was able to get them through, you know, the site or like the raffle or Nike. So right now the prices is looking like $650. Do I think it's gonna drop some more? I personally do. Like, I feel like it's gonna be like low 600s because not a lot of people go after like 6s in general. Most people go after like 1s, 4s, you know, 11s just because of the hype. And then, you know, like the masses not really like going after Travis Scott 6s. Like, you gotta be like a sneakerhead or like a Jordan head, you feel me? Like, I fuck with 6s, but the next person over might not. Like I mess with ones, the next person over, he's gonna mess with ones. So it's just different. So you know what I'm saying? And not a lot of people can pull off sixes, so it's different. With that being said, do I think these are gonna go up in the future? I do, man. Travis Scott sneakers usually do always go up because he's one of the hottest like artists out right now. You know what I'm saying? Like he's one of my favorite artists as well. I don't know how good the Travis Scott 6 OGs are doing. Let me just take a look real quick. But when they first came out, resale on them wasn't that crazy either. So there was like, I think they came down to like 500-600 as well. So the older pair is going for right now, it's going for like 690, 700 on the size 9. So do I think these gonna be $1,000? No, I don't. I think these gonna be like 700 max. So will I suggest selling them now? Probably. Do I think this is a better colorway than the other shoe? Nah. So yeah, I take that back. I don't think these are gonna hit 1,000. 700 is a good range for these. So they're probably gonna drop to like high 500s and then go back up to 700. So up to you if you guys want to hold them. I probably wouldn't because they're just so expensive. But yeah, that just breaks down the whole resale portion. Now to wrap things up with my final opinion. Do I like the shoe? Do I think it's a cool shoe? Yes. Do I need them in my collection? No. You know what I'm saying? Like I got a bunch of sneakers in my collection. I got the Travis ones. I do want to get the Travis SBs. But these I personally don't need in the collection. So I'm gonna have to pass on them. It's not like a necessity, you feel me? The next shoe I'm about to review, the New Balance Amy Leon Doors, those is fire. Compared to these, like, I feel like people copy these because of Travis hype, you feel me? And it's a cool shoe, cool concept, but you don't necessarily like need these. These was just a regular Jordan 6 colorway, nobody would be copying these. These would be slid. So that's just, it is what it is, man. But that wraps up this video. Comment down below how you guys feel about the shoe. Did you guys get a pair? And what you guys think resale is gonna be, man. It's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. And I'm out.